wish you all a very happy new year to Hapma family. My name is Amit Gupta.
My name is Pooja Amit Gupta.
Today I would like to express you my experience regarding Hapma FinTech. I joined Hapma FinTech from September 2023. Since 2020 till 24, it was a very nice journey. I used to have a debt which I cleared through this platform, and through this platform I found a very good health and wealth creation thanks to my big top line and the founder of Hapma FinTech, Hassan Ali sir, co-founder Abid Ali and Asif sir. And I can see in 2025 there will be a new innovative ideas which gonna come through the road, and I did calculated myself that in 2025 I will achieve new levels, and I wish all of our Hapma family should go together. Once again, Happy New Year to Hapma family.
Happy New Year, Hapma family.
आने वाले साल को सलाम।